It's a very Merry Christmas morning and we're out for our walk. My husband decided to join us and Jade likes him a lot. She gave him some good sniffins and she let him pet her. She's in a great mood. Good girl. Yeah, I know. That guy's just jealous that you're getting walked and he's not. Jade is deep into Sniff Town. Yeah, she found something good. Yeah, you. Very focused today. Lots of sniffs. Good girl. That's a very nice heel. Oop, we got our leash under the foot. I'll fix that. Nice to see you, Bella. She's in a really nice mood today. Would you like some treats? Yeah. All right, well, I brought Jade a bone, and we're getting some yak cheeses. What do you think, dear? Gonna enjoy that while I'm gone. Yeah. Now we have. You're not gonna work on them right now. You're full. Okay. And we have some treats for Bella. Oh, sweet girl. Have a very Merry Christmas morning. I will see you guys this afternoon. Good girls. I think. What are you doing? You are so weird and I love it. I just asked her if she wanted to go on our walk with us and she said yes. Silly girl. I could teach you, but it would take a lot of work. Are you ready, Jade? Yes. Good girl. Nice, calm walk today. She doesn't have a lot of energy. So we're gonna take a trip around the block. And then I'm gonna give her her Christmas gift. We are going strong. Well, what else is new? Are you ready for dinner? Yeah. Good girl. Bon appetit. And Bella's getting in on it too. I love that she always eats dinner when Jade does. It's very cute. All right, baby girl, are you ready for your Christmas gift? We've got the snuffle mat loaded up with dog-made Christmas cookies. Yum, yum. There we go. Have fun, Jade. I love you. Happy Christmas.